Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy wooden decoration ideas. New and trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas. So friends, how are you? I am fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy wooden decoration ideas, stylish decor ideas. You can decorate your room, your lounge, your garden, beautiful and trendy wooden decoration ideas, your office. Very useful designing ideas for you. Those who love such type of woodworking ideas, wooden decoration ideas. Most beautiful, most trendy. You can visit my channel and see more collection about woodworking. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. For pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also gives a feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy woodworking ideas, wooden decoration ideas, stylish decor ideas. Share my video with your relatives, with your sweet friends, and also gives a feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy stylish woodworking ideas? You can easily make these very beautiful wooden decoration ideas if you know woodworking. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.